Welcome to this very gentle yoga class to activate your vagus nerve, soothing the body and mind in just a few short minutes. Let's get started lying on our right side so you can rest your right forearm down and stack your legs. The left fingertips can simply support you in front of the body as we start to bend the knees, keeping the legs stacked, and then let your right ear release in the direction of your right shoulder. You're very welcome to close your eyes here as we simply release in this position for a few smooth breaths. And let's slowly start to lift our way up, staying seated towards the right of your legs, so your legs are at a little bit of a zigzag. Turn your chin over your left shoulder, and then nod your chin slowly a few times. You could keep the eyes closed, relaxing through the jaw, the hands and the feet, making this practice your own. You can release that movement. We'll shift the legs slowly towards the other side as we come to lay on our left forearm, stacking the legs. And then slowly bending through the legs and letting your left ear fall in the direction of your left shoulder. You might notice different sensations on this second side that is quite normal and in fact a valuable observation about yourself. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Once again, slowly lifting yourself up, staying resting down on that left hip with the legs zigzagged off to the right. Turn your chin over your right shoulder and take those slow nods up and down a few times. Taking your final nod, finishing it out, and then turning your head back towards center, coming to a comfortable seat that might be cross-legged, as you lift the shoulders up towards the ears and then drop them down. So lift them up on an inhale, let them go with a big sigh. Very nice. One more time. Now take your fingertips of both hands and start to gently tap along your chest. So it's entirely up to you how much pressure you use here. Tracing the path of the vagus nerve. And then start to bring those fingertips down towards your solar plexus, right underneath your sternum. And again, you choose how much or how little pressure you apply here. Keep tapping. And finally, let's tap all around the stomach area. And here you might want to use a little bit more force, a little bit more activation. Really tap, tap, tap. And on a big sigh, let it go. Nicely done. Bring the palms behind the body, switch the cross of the legs if that's how you were seated. Let the upper body find the center. And then bring your left hand towards your right knee. So slight twist here. Bring your right forearm to the small of your back so that the back of the hand is resting towards your left hip. You might over time find a little bit of a deeper twist, letting something go. Bringing yourself back through center. The right hand will come to rest on your left knee. The left forearm will slide behind your lower back. Finding this gentle twist to start out. Maybe the eyes stay closed. Maybe after a breath or two, you deepen your twist. And let's gently release back out of the twist. Returning towards center, clasping the hands in front of you, and start to stir the pot. So taking a slow, deliberate circle in one direction, and then the other. Once you've finished, you can rest your fingertips down beside you, turning your head towards the right, and then the left, and then back to center. As we sweep the arms up overhead, and exhale, bring the palms to heart center, noticing how you feel. Well done for this practice. I hope you feel really relaxed and really proud of yourself. If you'd like to learn more simple calming techniques, I'll leave a link in the description box of the video for a little vagus nerve cheat sheet I've put together for you. And I hope you'll subscribe to my channel so we can meet again on the mat very soon. Have a wonderful day.